Assalamu alaikum guys, they'll be making Yemeni Lahooh Yafiei. The ingredients are in the video and in the description below. Mix all the ingredients together. Gradually add 2 cups of water to the mixture. You can either use a hand mixer or a blender in this step. This is how the batter should look like. Take a small amount of the batter and mix it with water to spread the pan with it before placing the lahooh. Use a napkin to spread the batter over the surface of the pan. Once the pan is heated, spread the mixture you previously made over the pan surface and then pour the lahooh to cook as shown. Clean the pan with a napkin that's been soaked with a little bit of water. If you don't have a large pan, you could always use a regular sized pan and you'll get the same results. If you want the lahooh to be golden from each side, then you could flip it. Finally, grease the lahooh with sesame oil or ghee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.